Hey guys, still taking a break from my motorcycle accident. I focused much of my energy on getting to know my DJI Mini 4 Pro. My cousin Bobby and I sat out on a park last Sunday and tested out this drone's cool feature, which is active shot. And I don't know, man, it just wandered off. Didn't know where to go, but I guess I was new to the feature and still trying to learn at this moment. At this height right here, I also wanted to try the POI, like point of interest, going clockwise at a higher angle, as you can see, and fast speed. It worked perfectly. It just doing its obstacle avoidance. There's a lot of trees surrounding us, and it's just avoiding all these trees. I tried obstacle avoidance with this same feature, POI, and just did circles around the basketball court at around 7 or 8 feet maybe. And the obstacle avoidance just worked perfectly. And the POI is a great feature to add on your videos for effect. At a higher rate of speed, that is really impressive for the DJI Mini 4 Pro. I turned on subject scanning so it can follow me wherever I go, even when I approach it, and that works fine. Again, in subject scanning, turned on, went counterclockwise on POI, but then it stopped. I think it hit a branch, I don't know, but it went about its merry way and it just proceeded with the operation. So went to about 300 or so feet in altitude and tried to capture the sun that Sunday. 2 days later, I went back to the same spot, and this time bringing with me the filters that I bought, using an ND128 in order to face the sun directly. And this is what it looks like. It just made a lot of difference as far as the attitude of the video, the character of the sun, the shape, and the drama that you would want to portray in a specific scene. And this is perfect compared to last Sunday's video where there was no filter and the source of the brightness is just all over the place. I was convinced that the filter have a great effect in creating magnificent shots, good ones. I've tested out earlier that day the ND16, the ND32, and the ND64. Also the ND128, right, with that sunset. But it also comes with the 256 and 1000. Also the LPR that is being used for softening up artificial sources of light in low light conditions, basically nighttime. So these filters work as far as creating the kind of video that you would want to make. And yeah, these are like sunglasses during a bright day. It controls the light that are coming in because of the big aperture that you would have at 1.7, and it does the work for you. So it's a great tool in your videos. Of course, it comes without the challenge that includes your combination of frames per second and the shutter speed, also the ISO and the white balance to create the perfect attitude for your video. Also the smoothness of your panning and your tilting, the handling of your controls, how smooth it is to create a nearly professional shot. My rolling and my yawing still needs a lot of work. It needs a lot of improvement, but the details, as far as the quality is concerned with these videos, I'm satisfied already. Yeah, little by little I'm taking little steps to create good videos, but I still need to work on my hands. I already adjusted the gain and expo on this, and the tilt and the panning. They just have to be really smooth. And I'm trying to look at certain angles, certain shots that I find interesting, and I just want to see how, you know, I can angle certain shots and stitch them all together to create a really good video. Look at all these colors and the combinations of it and the movements. I just want to capture all of that synchrony of movement on the lift, ascend and descend, against pitching and the rolling, which creates those professional, really epic shots from bird's eye view. So yeah, still last Sunday in this location, experimenting on POI at near ground flight with subject scanning on. Of course, we made the necessary safety precautions. So again, guys, with active shots, the drone wandered off right after I hid from it. I don't know what I need to tweak, what I need to correct right here, but yeah, let me know. This is the rocket feature from the Quickshots, one of the really cool vertical shot options. This is one of the more popular features of the drone, which is the droney. Explains why this is one of my favorite. It just gives you a dramatic reveal of your location and the landscape of where you're at, and yeah, it's one of the best. Finally, I'm gonna end up my presentation with Asteroid, another cool feature from this drone, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. See ya!